You can hear the wind gusts. That's crazy. Holy. Oh my God. Here comes the rain. It's raining. And now it's downpouring. What about this for a storm cam, guys? Oh, yep, that's cold. That strike was insane. Up. Wow. Are my radios going off? No. Oh, it's coming right towards me. Oh boy. Whoa. Keep that on the 2-minute mark. Well, there's more lightning. The cam got wet. Okay. Let me open weather-wise. I'm right there.
Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, western Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mayview or near Austin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Pennsville, Westtown, Carneys Point, Downingtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Kents Grove, Salem, Oxford, Woodstown, West Grove, Delaware City, Newport, Arden, Glenroy, and Stanton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 1. Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 312. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0.
That's wicked. Oh wow. You can see me. Hi, May.
Report severe weather. Contact the nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
That's a mess of wires I got.
A
Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until blah blah blah.
5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Gloucester and Salem.
Let's go downstairs. back to the storm. Whoa! Let me wipe this off for raindrops one more time. Whoa! Oh my. Oh look, my mom came out to watch. Up, time that strike. It's beautiful, right, Mom?
Stunning.
It's my mom. I'm looking at weather-wise. I gotta show my mom this real quick. That's McGuire. And us too.
I don't know what the colors even mean.
Red means it's real bad. Purple means there's hail.
Are we in red?
Red's just the heaviness of precipitation.
What color are we in?
Red. This is new. Let me zoom into our specific neighborhood. Oh, I can tell the shape of our neighborhood. I'm not going to share that. This is going on YouTube. But that's our neighborhood, so the red is coming.
Oh, it's not in the red yet?
No, but that's just the intensity of the rainfall, meaning there will probably be a flash flood warning. My radar just went off. Alert WX just
Is it safe for you to be on with lightning?
It should be. Are they going off? Nah. I accidentally took a photo. Wow! I gotta say, aware of this. That was all that rain. And there it is. Low visibility now. I really pray that people get off the road safely. I gotta clean this up. Wow. More lightning. All this heavy rainfall. This is wowzer. There's the gusts. Wow! That was pretty. There goes another one. Woo! Sorry I'm moving so much, just, you know,